4 years ago, this room almost made me quit Blender, so I asked Claude Opus 5 to build it instead. So let's see if it works. We're in Blender here. Let's go in settings. If we go in settings, you go to connect. You also have here Blender. I connected. I don't know exactly what it does, but let's see. My project that I started wanted to learn how to build in Blender an isometric room. So let's see if Claude Opus 5 can do it. Please help me build a room. Okay, I'm really curious if you can create something that you can actually use in a project. Also install this skill superpowers, which asks you a couple of the like allow Claude to use. Yes. Always allow, saves you more time. Let's go with Office. Let's go with this. And I created like the Blender, the donut. That's the only thing I created in Blender. But that was like 4 years ago. I forgot a lot of things. I don't know how to change this display interface. Yeah, I need to fix that as well. But for now, let's see, how should camera be set up? Let's go with recommended. That should be fine. Oh, almost 2K tokens. How much should I furnish it in the first pass? 4 set, okay, or extra clutter. No, let's actually push this. Shell text area only. Okay, why not? Now 2 minutes, okay? This took me a lot of failures at first, a lot of trial and error to create an isometric room. But yeah, it's doing a lot of things for now. Sounds like 2 minutes, 31 seconds. Okay, so this is what we have. Now, here's the thing. I think this helps me a lot that I've installed this skill, superpowers. You can install this to your terminal. Just ask Claude, help me start superpowers, because I would have get a different result if I didn't use basically superpowers. But now it's asking me to things to confirm. Is this deleting the default cube? Light fine. Yeah, unfortunately, we're gonna have to delete the cube. Lighting, sun angled in through the windows as key. I don't know, let's just say yes. Delete the cube. Always allow. Execute in Python. Let me actually look at it using. That's cool, actually using. Yeah. I tried this actually in ChatGPT Codex, and to be honest, I was really surprised. So it's not really like I already tried this before and looked really impressive. But I was thinking maybe Opus 5 can't do a better job. Let's see. Okay, so I changed the lighting a bit. Yeah, so here's it's already 12 minutes. Looks pretty good actually. Let's go back in Blender. Yeah, it actually looks good. Forgot how to use Blender. So S, nope, pan. Yeah, it doesn't look bad. I need to fix this. I think he's in settings or something. So Blender. Ah, probably he's here. Interface, yeah, this is the. Oh, okay, perfect. Okay, now we fix this. Okay, this looks pretty nice. When I tested with Codex, it looked better, but taking into this consideration, it created this in 21 minutes. Looks pretty good. I mean, not gonna lie. I mean, for beginner learning Blender, this is still would have taken me probably a couple of hours. So now let's test this. So I saved here's a couple of prompts. This one. So we test to see how far we can go. So recreate this exact isometric bathroom in Blender, bed against the back wall, a desk with a chair. So use a simple geometry and basic materials. See if we can create this. We also gave us the file, isometric blend, the isometric room design. Here we have some details, but let's now test this one. We use Opus 5 and medium. Should we use Ultra Code? I don't know. too many credits. Yeah, I'm just curious to see what we can create with this. Thinking, implementation, adding the project directly in the Python. Imports were probably in Blender's executing environment. Bad positioning. It's doing a lot of calculation. One bookshelf, I need to shift it down. Using a lot of tokens. One for this one, how many it used? I can't see right now, but I think around 50K. Yeah. While it's creating this, curious to see what I remember from 4 years ago. So SG, no, not here. Oh, I'm just gonna close this. So G, oh, for moving. Yeah, definitely I don't want to do that. Yeah, I knew I can go from edit mode. This is edit mode. I zoom from here, but what's the shortcuts? You have, okay. To pan a space, but what's the shortcut here? Zoom right here. Move this here. Okay, actually, just go back in object G to move, right? But it moved both. I remember it moved both because I selected both of them, right? I think so. But now, okay. But now let's say I move, okay. G, Y. Oh, okay, yeah, perfect. Okay. And now to zoom, I'm gonna use this, but I know that's not the most effective option to zoom in. And let's say I'm just gonna select edit mode. Okay, let's say I'll just want to create another shape like this one, this shape, okay? So how do I create this? Go object, right click, or no, edit mode, no, subdivide, object. How do I add? Oh, definitely I can just maybe duplicate this one, but I'm trying to remember how do I add a shape? Object, oh, add, okay. Okay, let's say plane. I have G selective, Y, G, Y. Okay, and then, oh, I think it's rotate, not D. Rotate on Y axis, B, rotate on Y. Okay, whatever, this works. And then let's say I want to extrude, I think it's called, if I remember correctly. Edits modes, but why? Oh, okay. And now extrude region. And it created. Actually, what if, yeah, now I want to make this more like this shape. I extrude Now, which part we want? This, no, we want the top. So how do I create this? Select this part maybe, and then extrude. No, no, press rotate. Extrude region. Okay, yeah. But now I have this here, which I remember correctly is not good. Yeah, this is so bad. And it's already been 5 minutes, I think. Let's see what Claude is doing. Oh, yeah, accept edits, plan, accept. Yeah, just handle. No worries. You got it. Yo, what just happened? Where's my edit? Oh, I think, oh yeah, Claude is working and it just, yeah, removed what I've created there. Spectacular creation. But at least the cube is back, so you should be happy. Um, it's been already 5 minutes, 7 minutes, and 400 tokens already used. You creating this isometric room, yeah. Not gonna lie, I mean, if I really think about it, would have taken me probably, I don't know, to make it exactly like this. Probably 8 hours, completely beginner. And I already, as I said, that was 4 years ago. I forgot a lot of things. But even then, I wasn't really proficient, really familiar with the tool. I was able to create something, but very basic. Anyways, this is, don't tell me already finished creating. Oh no, but still looks good. I mean, oh my god, like that's not bad. Let's look to the, okay, and then change. Okay, and by the way, I'm using, yeah, EV because renders much faster. This takes a bit of time. Huh, this is actually so good, actually, not bad. Now the question is it worth it learning Blender? I mean, I'm thinking, yeah, I mean, of course, if you're doing, I'm assuming if you're doing something really complicated, like those projects I looked at, Blender projects, which looks amazing, and there's a lot of details, a lot of scenes. I'm not sure, but I don't think, Blender is at that level, or Blender Claude, it's at that level to create those types of scenes, or yeah. But I'm not sure because I haven't tested this. I have no idea. But actually this is done, right? Oh, still editing. Calm down, Claude. It already looks good. Impressed. I'm already impressed. No, what if while Claude is doing its work, I'm just gonna delete something? Is it gonna create it back, or what's gonna happen? Okay, something just disappeared completely. Numbers confirmed. Okay, editing. I thought it's gonna say I'm building. Okay, actually, delete this as well. Already renders this. Oh my god. Oh, it put it back, right? Did it put it back? Oh, delete the table. Yeah, I did put it back. Oh, wow, a lot of Python code. I also think learning Python, but I don't know if it's worth it at this point. But it's not even about that. Just the learning factor. It's fun, learning stuff. Even if the process is fun. Yeah, you gotta learn. You gotta fix, Claude. You gotta fix this. Yeah, editing build ISO bad. Oh yeah, it just fixes back. Yeah, yeah, it is fixing back. Okay, the light is aimed correctly, but sits okay. Negligible moving in 12 minutes. Build this in 12 minutes. I'm curious if someone like proficient, really familiar with Blender, can tell me if that's impressive or if they tried doing something more complicated in Blender with Claude. Okay, that's done. That's good. No as text. Anyways, this is what it builds. Hmm. Yeah, and this looks good. But anyways, let's just test the other one here. So take the same scene, make it look like give the wood furniture visible grain and wear, and add a soft directional morning light through the window with proper shadows, and add one warm practical light source on the desk. I want it to feel a lift and a render. Okay, let's see. I was checking my laptop if it actually runs well, workable. I'll iterate at half res and do the final at full. This is substantial shading rewrite, so it goes to new script and leaves your baseline untouched. Okay, I'm already impressed. What I've tested with a Codex was way more complex, but it's actually created that as well. I was still impressed there. But still, I've tried something more animation, and there was a huge problem there. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. But I think you can learn. You have to know Blender, and then for animation, you have to know how to make animations in Blender, and then you can use Blender to create a scene. That's what I'm thinking right now. That's kind of the workflow I'm thinking. Okay, that's 15K tokens used. Open the lights. 4 weeks. No, 30 minutes. That's all it took this time. And the isometric room I tried to build 4 years ago took me around 8 hours, and it still wasn't perfect. This one was done before I could even finish my coffee. Not perfect, but the whole process, the light thing, making this isometric room, that was the part I was struggling with. And the whole process, it really took just a couple of minutes, and that was the part I was struggling with, and really nailed it. So I don't think go learn Blender for a year before you touch anything. It's an advice I'd give someone starting today. Not anymore, but curious if you disagree.